Hi everyone, Caitlin here, and I want to welcome you to Get It Together, where I'll be showing you how to organize and get your outdoor space together using a few basic tools, some elbow grease, and a little help from my friends at Suncast. Now, the more you use your outdoor space, the more things you'll need. Seating for guests, tools for gardening, firewood for that awesome bonfire. All great things, but you'll quickly realize that you need a place to store everything. Well, let me introduce you to my friend, the Suncast Extra Large Deck Box. It's kind of a big deal. Seriously, it's big. And it's the perfect solution for your extra large outdoor needs. So let me show you a few tips on how to put it together and how to put it to use. Let's get started. So let's take a look at all the tools you'll need. Number one, a Phillips head screwdriver. You'll also need an adjustable wrench, so have that handy. Lastly, I'd recommend using a rubber mallet to tap some of those parts together. All right, before you get the deck box out of the box, I like to prepare a clean surface. That way we don't lose any small parts. I use a drop cloth, like this one. Don't have a drop cloth? Blanket works just fine. Oh, maybe not Gammy's crocheted vintage Afghan. Smells like cookies. Once you know you have all the parts listed in the manual, it's time to put this thing together. First off, I love the tab slot system in this piece. They're so easy to use. You just put it in and slide. You know, for as light as this thing is, this support bracket really helps sturdy it up. And just remember, when you're installing this, there are no pre-drilled holes, so don't be afraid to pierce the resin with the screw. So here's another pro tip. When you're putting the hinges in, they don't go like this, they don't go like that. Match the bend in the hinge with the bend in the lid, and you'll be straight. Lastly, the most shocking part, we're adding shocks to this bad boy. These keep the lid open so that you don't pinch a pinky. Now that we have this put together, let me show you how to put it to use. There's nothing worse than running outside during the rain to collect all your fancy cushions. Keep them nice and dry right inside the extra large deck box. Always wanted a mudroom? Keep one of these outside by the door, instant mudroom. And what about your gardening tools? I'm not talking this little shovel, I'm talking potting mix, wood chips, watering cans, gloves, and that fancy gardening hat your mom always wears? That'll fit in there. It's also perfect for storing all your outdoor seasonal supplies like firewood, rock salt, grass seed, and sporting goods. Extra large deck box for the win. So there you have it, the Suncast Extra Large Deck Box for all your storage needs. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna store myself on it right now. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more ideas on how to organize and get your outdoor space together. What would you like to see us set up next? Comment below and let us know. See you next time.